day on the island of Sodor, Victor was telling Edward and James that he had found a jet engine. "I found a jet engine," said Victor. "I ordered it off from eBay. It's coming tomorrow." "Oh, boy," said Edward. "I can't wait to use it. But is it okay if I use it?" "Sorry, Edward, but if you use that thing," said Victor, you might get into an accident. You might get your buffers busted." "But," said Edward, but I... "Well, Victor's right, Edward," said James. "You would get into an accident if you used that thing." "But I want to use it." "Now, please don't give me that look, Edward. I know you want to use it, but you can't because of Victor. He orders, he's right." "But I really want to use it," said Edward. That night at the sheds, Edward went that night into the sheds. He wanted to use the jet engine real badly, but James said he shouldn't be. "Edward, you're still not using that jet engine tomorrow." "But I want to use it," groaned Edward. Well, I don't care." "Well, I don't care," said James. "Get some sleep, Edward. Just get some sleep." "Just get some sleep already," said James. Edward went to sleep, thinking all about the jet engine. By 6 o'clock, it happened. There was the jet engine. Edward went out of the sheds that morning to go catch the jet engine. "It's so beautiful," said Edward. "This must be it, the jet engine. Yes, this is my favorite thing. Can't wait to use it." "Boy, am I tired," said Cranky. Until it happened. "Edward, I think I just started the jet engine for no reason." "You did? Thank you. Thanks, Cranky." 3, 2, 1. "Oh no," said Cranky. "Blast off! Whee! I never done this in my life! Whee! Whee!" said Edward. "What the heck was that?" cried Alfred. He was surprised. "Oh my gosh, what the heck?" he thought to himself. So, I'm not sure what that was all about. "I love being the fastest engine on the island of Sodor. Whee! 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 Ha ha ha! Woohoo! Whee! What? What was that, James? Oh, I'm not sure. I think that was Edward on Victor's jet engine. And Edward on Victor's jet engine? Oh my gosh, I better go get Victor. Please get out the turntable, Thomas. I gotta go get Victor and tell him what Edward was doing. He stole the jet engine. Thomas, we have to. stole the jet engine, Thomas. I gotta go. Sorry, I meant to do that. Sorry. Oh, crud. I gotta crash. I gotta go tell Victor what he did. Victor, cried James. What is it, said Victor. Edward, I think, stole your jet engine. What? He stole my jet engine? Come on, we gotta get him before he crashes and hurts himself. So, you're right. Let's go. Right, let's go. We don't have much time to stop him. Don't have much time to stop him, though. Well, let's go anyway, said James. We don't have much time. So they tried to go find Edward and try to catch him for using the jet engine. There's some problem. There had been a building. There was a building that Ben had crashed into once on the second blooper. And the next engine who was going to crash into it was Edward. We're going to have to get in front of him or crash him, said Victor. We don't need to do that. I don't think getting in front of him is going to work. So I guess we'll have to crash him. You're lucky. Look, someone already built a station in front of him. I'm still the fastest engine on Sodor. Wait up! What the heck? Oh, said Toby. Oh, crud. Oh, crud. Curse myself for getting into the way. Why me? Why me? He groaned. Edward, Toby, and the jet engine had been smashed to pieces. Ow, said Edward, who couldn't talk because he had been muffled into the sidings. Suddenly, the Fat Controller arrived. What the heck has happened here? Edward stole my jet engine and got into a crash. He what? Said Sir Tom. The jet engine, I'm afraid, is probably smashed now. I guess I'll have to get a new one. Well, Edward, I guess you learned a lesson about using jet engines. I sure did, cried Edward. Plus, now that you two had crashed into each other, you two, I'm afraid, will have to get to the steamworks for repairs. Arrgh. The next day, Edward and Toby were mended, and James was back. Sorry, James, about the jet engine I was using. It's alright. Right, I forgive you for that. Yeah, I did learn a lesson, though. I'm still going to say that jet engine is... I'm never using a jet engine again. Good for you, said James, because none of us will ever couple it up again. So won't I, said Toby. And the three just chuckled.